How to get the first character in string in Python. Let us take a string value, in variable x, say apple. To get the first character in the string in x, we can use string indexing using square brackets. Specify the index of the character in square brackets after the string variable. This expression returns the character in the string at the index specified in the square brackets. Since we need the first character, we need to specify the index of the first character, which is 0. Let us store the returned value in a variable, say x_first, and print the first character to the output using print built-in function. Run the program. The output is A because the first character in the given string apple is A. Let us try for another string value, say mango, and run the program. The output is M because the first character in the given string mango is M. In summary, we have used index with the string to get the first character in a given Python string. Thank you for watching Python courses by Coder Bean.